According to our federal CNBC Fed Survey, the president will get close enough for rock and roll. He's looking for 3%, and the number is for 2018, 2.93. We're going to call that even?
Round up?
We'll round up 3% to the nearest whole number, followed by 2.8% 2019. That's quite a bit better than we did in 2017, the actual number. Here are the unemployment numbers expected by our panel of 38 economists, strategists, and fund managers. 3.7% on unemployment. Headline inflation seen around 2.5%, which is about equal with the Fed's goal when you look at it from a PCE standpoint rather than CPI. Okay, what about the chance of recession? It is the third lowest in the 7 years we've been tracking this year, or 2 years, of which 3 of them have been. So 13% was the lowest January 2015, 13.8% just several months, 0.7 several months ago, now 13.8. So a very low probability. This number averages about 20%, which is actually the real average for a recession, one every 5 years or so. Okay, now here are the top line results. Rate hike in June, 100% seeing it happening tomorrow. 81% say September. And then we get disagreements, folks. 3.5 is the number expected in 2018, which tells you that half of the folks in the survey think there's going to be 4 this year and half think there's going to be 3. 2019, same debate, 3 versus 2, with an average of 2.6. That would bring the Fed funds rate well into 2.5% range.
Curious, Steve, what your respondents are saying about trade. We did get some comments from the head of the IMF, Christine Lagarde, who said dark clouds are over the global economy, and they are getting darker. No surprise. I mean, trade wars and protectionist policies are antithetical to what the IMF does.
I can say from this survey, Sarah, that trade is the darkest cloud that's out there among the potential dark clouds. If you look, when we ask people, what's the biggest threat to the U.S. recovery? 35%. I think all those numbers to the right don't equal the one on the left. In other words, inflation, the worker shortage, which is a new entrant to our list of worries here. The Fed policy mistakes, 8%. All the other ones don't amount to the protectionist problem that people see coming. And we asked, as we presented yesterday, how do you view the Trump administration's trade policies? This is a group that is positive on its economic policies. They are decisively negative on the president's trade policies.
Hey there, thanks for checking out CNBC on YouTube. Be sure to subscribe to stay up to date on all of the day's biggest stories. You can also click on any of the videos around me to watch the latest from CNBC. Thanks for watching.